Personally, I have a very hard time using these fabulous illustrations as wrapping paper. They're so gorgeous. I want to hang them up and admire them as artwork. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. We all love receiving fabulous holiday cards, but I personally have a soft spot for printed pieces that keep on giving all year round. And yes, we have received our fair share of fun and fabulous calendars, but each year I find myself looking forward to the gift wrap set from my friends at Hemlock printers. You see, every year they come up with a very clever, very different twist, and this year was no exception. The Wild Things gift wrap set features embossing, debossing, playful art, and includes some very clever hand tags that make your gift look their very best all year long. Designed by the husband and wife team of Misha, who came up with the illustrations, and Ben Graham of design studio Turnstile, the set was inspired by Hemlock's efforts to preserve the Great Bear Rainforest in their native British Columbia. Expansions of the printer's zero carbon neutral printing program enables it to apply carbon offsets to help protect the area, which is home to many different species of flora and fauna, including the Kermo bear, aka the spirit bear. Said bear pops up on the gift wrap inside, as do various mushrooms, ferns, and other highlights of the area. All offset printed on eco-friendly Rolland Enviro Satin paper. Yet each sheet of wrapping paper is printed slightly differently. The Winter Forest, for example, features CMYK UV inks plus Bright UV and a CMYK boost. The bears, my personal favorite, CMYK UV inks and one extra UV PMS color. As whimsical as the wrapping paper is, it is the actual packaging that transforms this set from something fun to fabulous and, yes, I'm going to say it, truly wild. The cover printed offset on 100% post-consumer Mohawk Options captures your gaze right away thanks to Misha's luscious floral art and the embossing and debossing of the various leaves. A flood of UV Satin Varnish gently protects the artwork. To open the package, you actually have to flip it on its back, where a bear-adorned left panel is tucked into a die-cut slit to keep the kit's contents in place. Opening the panels reveals Hemlock's holiday message on one die-cut panel, the production notes and kit's backstory on the opposite one, as well as 28 fun gift tags waiting to be pulled out and affixed to your gifts thanks to some helpful perforations. Not only does this set add a touch of color and nature to every season beyond the Yuletide one, its theme, materials, and the very manufacturer reinforces Hemlock's environmental philosophy. This is truly a gift that keeps on giving all year round. The Wild Things is a great example of how die cutting and perforation can transform your printed piece. If you're a PaperSpecs Pro member, enjoy tips and insights into die cutting, perforations, scoring with our Pros Guide to Die Cutting. Find it at paperspecs.com under the Pros Only tab. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.